Hello guys, in this class we're going to be checking for understanding to see if you understand what a text is all about. And we're going to recognize personal opinions. We're going to distinguish between facts and opinions. And we're going to finish this page as your homework. Okay, first of all, we need to go back to this page to remember what we were talking about. The title was What is the most popular food in your country? And we were talking about peanut butter, and we were talking about how Charlotte and her cousin Claire, we were listening to how they think some foods are good and some foods are just weird, are very different. So I'm gonna leave this here so you can read it again, just in case you need to go back. Okay, that's it, that's all the article. And after you've read this a couple of times, we're gonna go back and we're gonna do exercise 3. I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, and you do 4, 5, and 6. Okay? If I'm not sure, because maybe I don't remember, it's okay. I just need to go back and read something so that I can find evidence. Okay? Charlotte and Claire are from the United States. The answer is false because remember, Charlotte is from the United States and Claire is from France. That's why they think some foods are just different. Number 2, Americans like peanut and peanut butter. I'm going to find some evidence to back up my statement. Okay. Okay, look. In the US, more than 90% of all families eat peanut butter. So this is going to be my evidence. So when I go back to this, I'm going to mark this as true because I circled the evidence in which they say that it's true. Number 3, hot dogs and hamburgers are more popular than peanut butter. They talk about hot dogs and hamburgers, but are they really more popular? 90% of all families eat peanut butter, so that's a lot of people, 90%. Okay, but let's see if hot dogs and hamburgers are more popular. Okay, she likes some of our typical dishes, especially hot dogs and hamburgers, but Claire thinks many American foods are terrible. She thinks our worst food. No, this is not true because Claire is talking about how she likes hamburgers and hot dogs, but it doesn't say that they are more popular. So that is going to be false. Okay, homework, you do 4, 5, and 6. Label it here as homework. Let's continue with the next exercise. It says recognize point of view. This is important because in some cases, like in the previous page, Charlotte is talking about how two people have different opinions. It is important to understand what opinions are from Claire. And the instruction says cross out the statements that don't represent Claire's opinions. Some American food is good. Is that the opinion from Claire? Okay, look. we have here says she likes some of our typical dishes. So in that case, this one, I am not going to cross it out because that is the opinion from her. Number 2, peanut butter and jelly sandwiches are good. Let's see. Claire likes hamburgers and hot dogs. But does she think, okay, Claire thinks many American foods are terrible. She thinks our worst, la peor, our worst food is peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Okay, so here, I'm going to underline my evidence here. Many American, nope, that's not what I want to do. Let's see, I forgot what the eraser is. This one. So my evidence is going to be she thinks our worst food is peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. That's my evidence. So I go back and I say, is this the opinion from Claire? No, she's telling us the opposite. She's telling us that she thinks that peanut butter and jelly sandwiches are terrible. So I'm going to cross out this here. Cross out means I'm going to do this. I'm crossing it out. Okay, you're going to do 3 and 4. And complete. This is your opinion, so this is easy because your opinion is your opinion, so there are no incorrect answers. You can tell me, okay, in my opinion, the best dishes in my country are tacos and fried chicken. That's your opinion. It's all good. The worst dishes in my country are los peores platos. This is the opposite. In my opinion, the best dishes, los mejores platos de la comida. Okay, what do you like? Do you like chicken? Do you like salad? And the worst, los peores. Can you tell me what you think? Then, in this conversation, I'm going to read it for you so you can listen to the pronunciation of your words. And then you're going to complete this conversation with all the things that you see here. Okay? Read and listen to the conversation. Oh, discuss what to eat. Read and listen to the conversation. Hey, Jeff. Sorry I'm late. I'm starving. Llega y él le dice, hola Jeff, disculpa que llegué tarde. Estoy muriendo del hambre. I am starving. Contesta Jeff. Me too. Let's have something to eat. Yo también, vamos a comer algo. Okay. What is there? ¿Qué hay? Le pregunta ella. Well, there are a lot of cookies and there's a little cake. Muchas galletas y un poco de pastel. What about pretzels? ¿Y qué tal the pretzels? Le dice. Oh, yeah. There are a few pretzels. Oh, sí, hay unas cuantas pretzels. Las pretzels son estas galletitas saladas. Oh, yeah, there are a few pretzels. Great. I'm in the mood for something salty. Oh, genial. Estoy de ánimo para algo salado. So, guided conversation. This is going to be homework 2. Make a list of foods and drinks for the party. Write an adjective from the vocabulary at page 24 for each food. Then create a new conversation at a party using your notes. Okay, I think that in this case, you can use this conversation as a guide if you don't want to change everything. What is really important here is that you use the words correctly. For example, you can say, hey, Juan, sorry I'm late, I'm starving, me too, let's have something to eat. Okay, what is there? Okay, this is the important part. There are lots of, okay, lots of what? You can choose any word because lots works with any countable or non-countable noun. But if you say there's a little, hay un poco de, you have to put something that works with little. What about, ¿qué tal o qué hay de? And you write another food here. Oh yeah, there are a few. Oh sí, hay unas cuantas. And then you write the same word that you put here. Right, I'm in the mood for something. Okay, we're gonna follow the conversation. If I put here, what about oranges? I put oranges here. And I'm going to put something that describes the word orange. So in summary, you're going to do 4, 5, and 6, 3 and 4, these two, and completing this conversation. That's all for you guys. Hope to see you again soon. Take care. I'll see you in the next one. Okay. Les queda de tarea el 4, el 5, el 6 en base a la lectura que habíamos discutido anteriormente. Si no estoy seguro, el objetivo de esta clase es buscar evidencia de algo que aparece en un texto. En el número 4, solamente tengo que tachar las oraciones que no representan la opinión de Claire, la muchacha francesa que no le gustaba el peanut butter, que no le gustaba la mantequilla de maní. Si esta es una opinión de ella, la dejo tal y como está. Si esta no es una opinión de ella, la voy a tachar. Lo hace en su cuaderno. Esta, como es su opinión, yo respeto su opinión. No puedo decirle que su opinión está mala. Si usted me dice, en mi opinión, los mejores platos en mi país son los tacos y pollo frito. Esa es su opinión. Los peores platos en mi país son pupusas y sopa de mondongo. That's your opinion, ¿ok? Leí esta conversación para que usted practique en su casa cómo pronunciarlo y va a completar esta conversación solo que con diferentes tipos de comida. Y si uso aquí la palabra little, tengo que poner aquí algo que concuerde. Y si aquí puse, por ejemplo, por decir algo, naranjas, entonces acá tengo que poner un adjetivo que combine con eso. That's all for you guys. See you in the next one.